If your whole body freaks out the second you see your ex, here's what's happening. You can be cool all week, and then when they walk in, your brain goes static. Your head, be normal. Your heart, I miss them. Your gut, don't get hurt again. In the first 5 seconds, your 5-second reflex decides over talk, over apologize, or just shut down and stare at the floor. You're not dramatic. You're running an old script at full speed. If you know you'll see them soon, don't wing it. Hit the 7-minute reset or go to rebuilddad.com/reset and come rehearse those first 5 seconds with me before you're standing in front of them again.